Do you know you can now add shadows to shapes? You just go up to Effects, and we now have the options of Drop, Glow, Echo and Glitch. And if we go to Glow, you can see it's now added it, and we can increase the intensity or drop it down. We can change the colours. Again, if we go to Drop, there's lots of edits we can do with Drop. We can change the direction, how much is offset, the blur, and the transparency. Now this is exactly the update we've been looking for in Canva, and it's not just on the square shapes. If I add any shape, for example, if I add the star, I just change the colour so we can see it against the background. Again, go up to Effects, and we can add it to any shape.